I think we're going to replace this driveway next year, but for now, we're going to replace the garage floor. It's got a staircase going down where you can see the floor is poured underneath this wall. So we had to saw cut here. I usually saw cut across at the threshold and leave that little chunk of concrete, but this was really in bad shape. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour underneath the door frame as well. It's just an old Kansas City house. It's gonna look a lot nicer though once it's all redone and brand new.